Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm giving this coconut shell birdhouse a little makeover and turning it into a cozy bird or fairy lounge for my tiny winged visitors. I actually bought this almost 2 years ago, but I've noticed that the birds who visit my balcony haven't shown any interest in it. I'm guessing it might be because it's placed a bit too low, so they don't feel completely safe going inside. So instead of letting it go to waste, I decided to repurpose it and incorporate it into my little Zen garden. Alright, after giving it a quick cleanse, I'm attaching some leftover fake moss to the top of the coconut shell to give it a more natural woodland feel. Now that I'm happy with how it looks on the outside, I'm just gonna let the glue dry, and then I will make use of a few sticks that I collected from the park and some twine, and I'm going to create a tiny hanging ladder for a whimsical touch. Now that my fairy ladder is done, the next thing I'm gonna do is that I'll add a bit of fake moss inside the shell and maybe a few tiny trinkets just in case the fairies decide to move in or hang out in this coconut shell. To finish off this DIY, I'm going to use probably my glue gun to attach the leather onto the coconut shell, and then the next time you're going to see this is going to be outside in my Zen garden. And that is it for the simple magical project for spring. If you have extra coconut shells lying around, you might want to try something like this instead of just tossing them out. Thank you so much for watching. I am the Urban Witch, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!